Hello, I'm Vanessa from Fine Country Worcestershire, and I'm here on this gloriously sunny morning to show you our lovely new property, Cleeve House, which is at Cream Court near Pershore. It is so beautiful inside, you need to come in and have a look. This stunning property is really a designer's dream. On the ground floor of the property, there is a really well-proportioned kitchen. Downstairs WC, superb formal dining room, and a beautiful drawing room. It really is a stunning and gorgeous home. It has 4 bedrooms with 2 ensuite shower rooms. A beautifully refurbished family bathroom. Cream Court is a mid-18th century Neo-Palladian mansion surrounded by extensive landscape parkland at Cream d'Aberteau near Pershore. The mansion and park were designed by Capability Brown and first opened in 1760. Within the grounds are a selection of unique properties, including Cleeve House, which has been completely refurbished and stylishly decorated by the current owners. I really hope you enjoyed your sneak preview of Cleeve House. If you'd like to view the property properly with myself, I'm Vanessa Bradford, and you can call the office on 01905 678 111. Thank you, bye bye.